All right, little thing. What's our plan for today? No flirt pole. Little cute thing. You looking for food? Oh, you looking for food out of my? You see me digging in my pocket? You looking for food? We're gonna try to get you to play with other stuff. Yeah, good girl. You like this one better? You don't like that one either? You liked it the first time, not the second time? Make it fun with you? Make it fun with you? Ready? Get in. Can you see her there? And that's what Red likes to do. He likes to pick it up and throw it to himself. Yeah, very nice. Oh, ready? Ready? Ha! Good girls. Ooh, ready? Can you see her over the back? So stupid. You just want food? You want to do food work first? We got to make you play first. What about this one? Yeah, there we go. Get it. There we go. Good girl. Get it. I've heard someone say, like, when you're tugging and you're telling them good girl, they don't hear it. They get like a, can you hear her grumbling about it? Yeah, good. Stop tugging, drop it. Good. Okay. Good job. Now she was pausing, which is good. Not going back for it. You can work up to her looking at you first. Might be hard with a little bitty one too. I don't know. Maybe it's me making excuses. Right. Drop it. Oh, the verbal and then start the motion. You can hold it. Okay. With movement. Say okay and with movement. Good girl. Good. I like to say good because she's got her mouth on a toy. So like with any puppies, at some point they're gonna nibble and bite on you and you're gonna want to put it into it. So I think that saying good when they're tugging and they're on the toy, just letting them know it's appropriate, right? Get it. Get it. Yeah, good girl. Get it. Get it. All right. Oh, did she see me get in the pocket? Go. Get it. Get it. And you trying to get the bone part of it? Well, and drop it. Good. Okay. What's up with that? You don't want to carry it back? Oh my gosh. That's hard, dude. I think that's why everybody sits down with the puppies, right? Whoa. Do. Gotta sit down with your puppy, right? Let's see where we're at now that I moved my landmark. Oh, you didn't move it that much. Oh, girl. Sit down with these little guys and your bad old man knees. Where's that? Look at her. Hey, get out of there. That's the problem with sitting down with all this food, right? Inspector Gadget. Get out of there. What's the word? Tenacious? Ferocious? Not ferocious. It's like, I want that food, I'm gonna get to it. Get it. Get the toy. Get the toy. And that right there is why you can't do this. Now we got you distracted with the food, right? Get the toy. Get the toy. I think if you make it where they can't get to it, that makes them want it more, right? You're telling me I can't have that? You can do this move. I don't think you're ready for those. No. All right, we can do this one. Let her know you have food in both ones. And just wait. Good. I was gonna try to wait for eye contact, right? But I think she would have went for the other food. Ow, girl. Let me give you the back of my finger then. Wait till she stops. Good. Right, when she disengages and you feed from the other one. All right. You can bring it up to your eyes, see if that works. Nope. Too far away. That doesn't work. It's much easier. I do it on the table with her, but it's not close to the distraction, right? Did you get one? Girl, how'd that happen? I left one out loose, huh? Nope. I need to do this on the table. That's why I try to play first. Nope. Nope. I'll try getting it closer to her. What I do with the bigger ones is I'll move them. Here, let's go. You know what? Let's go do recall games because we didn't play enough to get her settled down, did we? We didn't play enough to settle down, did we? You little crazy thing. You little crazy thing. Huh? You little crazy thing. Let's go do recall games. 3 minutes. That's what happens when you don't flirt well first, right? It's harder for them to pay attention. Play first. Play first in some way.